Whoa, here we go. That is a happy day up soon. Now it's still July. 1000 now. Now it's different what I'm saying. That's just a cooler or something. Okay. Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to the video called Surfers Buenos Aires. Wow, the good news is the game called Buenos Aires. We played our huge hour ago, or couple of hours, or minutes. So. Okay, but the first thing I can do, I think, so we're gonna do a listen. Okay, we're gonna do some character of this piece. Well, it says Rosita. Wow, it's Rosita. Well, this is like a girl or something. It was like a Mexico. Well, they got like roses or something. That's like flowers, not sunflowers even. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do this one called Future Waves. Whoa, I didn't even unlock the first one. Okay, but the only thing I can do is, whoa, it's 3 days and 5 hours again. Okay, we're gonna go rushing through the days for something. Wow, look at this. That's running for sometimes. Wow, that's pretty cool at this. That's pretty cool. Wow, there we go. Let's see. Wow, is that Buenos Aires? Wow. Whoa, it's not like everything. Whoa, it has museum, it has everything. Whoa, the station. Whoa, is that city? I could have seen that. That was so blurry. It has trees or something like that. Well, river. I can do like more of them like that. Or maybe. Wow, that's maybe. That's cool. That's cool. That's very cool again. Well, it's not more interesting like that. It's like Frickless again. Well, that was some server. Nothing. Just in my house. Well, I will go back in my house again. I'm in the Fontana right now. Well, here's serving. Still July or something. Well, good news I can do is gonna be almost the final one. Oh, January, February. No, sorry. I mean, yeah, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well, it's gonna be the end of Subway Server on 11 years. Well, by the ending. Wow. Congratulations. Hey. Okay, there was some house. Whoa, it has so many houses. Oh, yeah. Look at the soccer ball. It's like a soccer ball. Yes. That's not trying to confuse me. Wish for something like some. Oh, that's all the way you go back home. Something. Oh, it's very interesting. Surfers, so I cannot wait. Let's see. Whoa, what is that? Oh, wow, this trees too. Wow, it is. It has running into you. That's also upstairs. Wow, yeah, that always. Always I can do. Okay, let's see. Wow, that's pretty cool. We're gonna let the person code. Whoa, what is that? Is that here response? Whoa, almost on the list someone forget. Okay, we're gonna do a little list called the other one. This is shop. Let's see. Oh, spray bot. Let's see. Okay, on my last April, we got I think we're gonna add him. Wow, this is like a voice or something. Factor. Wow, that's Jumper. Wow, look at that. That's fantastic. Jumper's cool. Wow, it has spring or something like a blue or not something. Someone you know. Oh, I'm not getting to realize it. Well, the month ago, year. Did someone forget us called the mini characters called the Subway Server? Okay. Well, it's Carlos. Oh, no, let's give me this one here. As helmet for Carlos. Can I get a meat or something? Well, the upgrade is gonna be 352, and this one starts on 562. Easy. Well, this is all the 9 years. It's called on the year. Oh, is that dangerous or something? Whoa, what is that? Oh, we got Carlos. That's fine. Fine, thank you. And I'm gonna get a meat on my monkey. Oh, never mind. Oh, look at this one. Here we go, someone. Okay, let's see. No, this one. Wow, we already made this one? Someone? Oh, someone forget who. I'm gonna get you stop talking about this one. Silver. Whoa, Sophia. Okay. Wow, who's that? He's like a Mexican? Wow. He has his long shirt and everything. And a lock. Easy for someone. Wow, I cannot wait. I cannot believe. make it end the video. So, see you later and goodbye.